Now, a lot of people look at the price action on Terra Luna Classic and they think, man, we couldn't break 12,500 points per coin. A lot of people are looking at the proposals in the Terra Luna Classic ecosystem right now and thinking, man, this blockchain is no longer decentralized. Man, this blockchain is no longer cryptocurrency because, of course, developers have to KYC. So I'm going to talk about some of the things that are going on in the Terra Luna Classic space right now. Whether or not you believe it's good, bad, ugly, all of that, we're going to be discussing it in this video. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And finally, thank you to everybody going on to Amazon, grabbing your favorite bro merch, grabbing the shib merch, literally grabbing anything off of Amazon, because you guys are generating a commission, and that commission is used towards burning shibainu coin. If you are interested in Audible, Audible's got a free 3-month trial right now. You cancel anytime. It generates $5. It is going to be used towards burning Shiba Inu coin as well. So make sure to check that out. Guys, I mean, we still haven't fallen through support at 11,000 points per coin. Terra Luna Classic could be testing 9,000, 7,000, 5,000 points per coin the same way that it was 2 months, 3 months, 5, 6 months ago. But instead, here we are, 11,260 points per coin. This is not bad for Terra Luna Classic. Yes, we attempted 4 times the 12,500 point per coin level. Terra Luna Classic attempted it, and each time was rejected. Now, this is okay, because this is what happens, and this is why levels of support and resistance are so important. It's because traders actually use them. If they didn't, we wouldn't have any technical analysis. If traders didn't view these and use these, there would be no way of analyzing a stock's price or a cryptocurrency's price. But because of that, we can better understand the price movement and what is going on in the Terra Luna Classic community with Terra Luna Classic traders. Right now, 12,500 points per coin was too tough to pass through. And right now, we have a red candle on the day today, down 2+% at the time that I'm recording this video. But the red candle is all across the crypto space. It's all across the stock market. The inflation rate and the interest rates here in the United States are not as good as people expected. The inflation rate, CPI, here in the United States, it came in worse than expected. And therefore, traders are now, and investors are now beginning to think, you know what? Maybe they won't lower interest rates in March. Oh, man. Maybe, you know what? Maybe Terra Luna Classic isn't such a good investment right now. Maybe Terra Luna Classic is a little too risky for the current economic environment. And we're seeing a little bit of a sell-off. But they're saying that then you can replace Terra Luna Classic with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Apple, NVIDIA, just AMC stock. You can replace it with literally anything that you want that is considered a risky asset. And people are saying, maybe that's not that great of an idea right now because the inflation rate came in higher than expected. Therefore, interest rates might not be lowered in March. So the overall market is having a very, very, strong impact on what is happening with Terra Luna Classic and what is happening in the entire cryptocurrency space. But Terra Luna Classic specifically, let's look at these proposals because we're seeing a couple rejections and we're seeing one that may be passing here. The global LUNC burn program update and official rule set is not going to pass. It was submitted on February 7th. It ends on February 14th. Currently has 499 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for. Yes votes only account for 12%. 58.5 no, 11.5 no with veto, 17% voting to abstain. If you go and you look at Matthew Perry's hidden voting results proposal, this is text proposal 12048, hide the voting results so you don't have any front running or validators following other validators, but instead you have some legitimate voting results. Overwhelming no. 2% yes votes, 85% no votes, 11, almost 12% no with veto, and 0.97 voting to abstain. So that it doesn't seem as though that one is going to pass either. Contributions without KYC. Now this is interesting. It is currently not yet met quorum. All nodes has not voted on this one. And it's 39% yes, 28% no, 29% no with veto, 2% voting to abstain, and 198 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for, so we have not yet met quorum on this one. Now finally, this one does seem as though it will pass the Terra Luna Classic vote, and it will be voted with a yes here. It is very close, not yet met quorum, but it still has plenty of time. So this one was submitted on February 10th, and it's to add Certic as a recognized KYC provider. 84, almost 85% yes votes, 0.13 no, 15 no with veto, that's interesting, and 0.15 voting to abstain. Right now, 372 billion Terra Luna Classic has voted, and all nodes has voted yes on this one. So it is not yet met quorum with only 372 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for, but it ends on February 18th, so they still have plenty of time to allow Certic as an option. So just a little bit of that. Following the approval of Proposal 1233, Certic is to be added as a recognized KYC provider in accordance with the framework outlined in Proposal 1233. Additionally, Certic KYC teams are also to be accepted. Certic to publish KYC results on their leaderboard. And of course, you can go through and read more of that out on Commonwealth if you would like. So guys, these are the things that are affecting the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, and these are the things that are affecting the Terra Luna Classic price action right now. Some of them are within our control. If you like or dislike some of those proposals, go vote. Other things may not be within our control. Inflation, interest rates. You've got the Federal Reserve, man. You've got the leaders of the United States printing money, spending money, and sending money outside of the United States like they are insane right now. And it will most likely continue. So it's very difficult to gauge how the overall economy is going to go, but right now it's driving prices lower. Let me know what you guys think about all of it down in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.